How you doing? James Williams, Carol City, Miami, Carol City. Recently committed to UM. What's going on, James? So James, look, tell me this. You started playing youth football where? Bunch Park?
Yeah.
Name some of the players that was on your team that we might know.
We had Trayon Wright. We had Willie Floyd. We had Saquon Smith. We had Antoine Massey. And we had Terrence Lewis.
Terrence Lewis?
Yeah.
Naquan played on that team?
No,
he was the one up. So you was at Bunch Park. You was at Bunch Park that day when they shot and they had to when they shut the park down?
Yeah.
You was at practice that day?
Yeah.
So y'all was a regular day, y'all was practicing?
Yeah. Came by and shoot.
Y'all heard shots?
Yeah.
What you did?
Got to the floor.
You got on the ground?
Yeah.
Because that's what you do when you hit shots, right?
Yeah.
Get on the ground. Listen, so that team you on, y'all moved to Miami Gardens to the Bulldogs. How long were y'all? Tell the people how long y'all were undefeated.
We was undefeated for 5 years.
So for 5 years y'all never lost a game?
Never lost a game.
Do you know y'all record?
It was 80-something though.
Y'all were like 80-something more?
Yeah.
Who was the coach of that team?
Coach Chavis.
Coach Chavis?
Yes.
Who else? Name some other coaches.
Coach Chavis, Coach Lee, Coach
Marcellus. Yeah. So you're a winner, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, now you moved on. You went to Pace. Pace, the first high school you went to?
Yes.
So it's the only high school you've been to?
Yes.
You 6'4", James.
Yes.
You play safety. How did that come about? Because you could be a defensive end. You could be.
First, I was from the play linebacker.
Right.
When coaches had tried something out, put a little experiment together, and put me at safety, and it turned out to be good in practice. So they put me in the game, and I balled out.
You balled out as a freshman?
Yes.
How many interceptions you had this year?
I had 4.
4 interceptions?
Yes.
How many knockout hits you had this year?
1.
1 knockout hit?
Yeah.
So you grew up in Miami, right?
Yeah.
Grew up a Hurricane fan?
Yes.
So this weekend you went to the campus, Miami Hurricane, whether it was freshman and sophomore day.
Yes.
You saw the campus for the first time? Was that your first time?
Yeah, first time ever.
Was it everything you dreamed of, everything you always thought it would be?
Yes.
It was?
Yes.
Who talked to you when you was on campus?
Coach Manny Diaz.
Coach Manny Diaz?
And Coach Barbona, the safety coach.
Tell us some stuff though. What he told you? How they could use you?
Yeah, how they could use me, put me more in the field, put a little speed on me, put a little weight on me. And yeah.
That's a fun defense to play in.
Yeah.
So you got how many offers?
I had 6 offers.
Tell me some of the schools.
I got Pitt, Tennessee, LSU, Syracuse, and FAU and Miami.
So at what point, as a freshman, at what point did you say, okay, man, I'm gonna be a Cane, I'm committing today?
I always said when I get the Miami offer, I was gonna commit. That's my dream, die hard school.
So listen, this year you gonna play both ways, or you just playing safety?
I might play both ways. I don't know yet. Because I just transferred to Carol City, so I don't know yet.
So you don't know if they're gonna have you at safety or they're gonna have you at.
I know I'm playing safety. They say they're gonna use me a little bit on offense.
What you want to play on offense?
Receiver.
You want to play receiver?
Yes.
You can catch, James?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got a nice quarterback over there at Carol City.
Yes.
So you're going to be playing next to Naquan Wright?
Yes.
When spring start for y'all?
I'm not sure, but it's in April something. We play Lakewood at Trash Pile.
At Trash Pile?
Yes.
You ready for that?
Yes.
Y'all got Lakewood in April. That's going to be y'all spring game. And then y'all may play like an orange and black game.
Yeah, then we got kickoff classic. We play Ruckage, the team Northwestern played.
Yeah. Ricketts. Yeah, Ricketts. Okay, Ricketts out of Jacksonville. But listen, you a Cane, throw up the youth for the people. James Williams, big time.